What's up guys, David Hoffman here from Davidsbeenhere, coming at you from beautiful Miami, Florida, my hometown. Today I'm here at Bombay Darbar and I'm making the second dish part of my series of Indian dishes. This is gonna be chicken tikka masala, a little different from butter chicken. And if you guys didn't know, this is the national dish of the UK. Yes, of the UK. Let's go inside and let's see how it's made.
The goal of this series is to educate you guys about Indian cuisine and show you the process of what goes into making these dishes while also supporting local businesses during these tough times. A recent survey found that 95% of businesses have been impacted by the pandemic and 39% said they would be unlikely to survive without further government assistance unless sales go back to normal. President Biden has pushed the American Rescue Plan to help revitalize small businesses and supplement their lost income. But there are things you and I can do to help too, like being mindful of where you shop and supporting small businesses and local restaurants like Bombay Darbar.
All right team, how you guys doing? Let's go, let's go. Back in the kitchen. What's up, man?
Good, how are you?
Very good, you?
Good, nice to see you again.
Nice to see you too. So what are we doing today? Chicken tikka masala?
Chicken tikka masala.
Perfect, so what's that?
Chicken tikka masala is the boneless chicken, cooked with food and cream with cashew sauce and then onion and bell pepper. The first, you put the bell pepper onion, turn the fire.
You know, it's funny because for me, I never knew the difference between butter chicken and chicken tikka masala, but this one's more red, from my understanding. A lot more red.
It's not more red, it's only the yellow color, not too much. The difference is the bell pepper onion, but it's same sauce, same chicken.
So more butter than butter chicken, and I've seen also many people do butter chicken with the chicken thigh, which is a little different, right?
Yeah.
It's not the bone-in chicken.
Yeah.
It's a darker meat, right? White meat, dark meat,
yeah.
differences, right?
Yeah.
Is that how it's red, like because of that?
Yeah.
Oh, tomato color, huh?
Tomato color.
So it's tomato coloring. Yeah. Okay, got it. Yeah, that's why it looks way more red in the butter chicken.
Yeah.
Way more red.
That's what the difference. If we don't put the color, some people gonna mistake is butter chicken.
Yeah?
We have to put some color for the difference.
Again, this was invented in the UK. Chicken tikka masala.
Now, when the sauce is cooked, finished, you dump the chicken. You let it like for 5 minutes.
So once he puts the chicken in, it takes around 5 minutes of simmering, then it's ready to eat. Oh man, that looks so good.
Yeah.
I love this. Make it a little spicier today. Add chili.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. I dare you. So he put this chili powder in, so it's gonna be a little hot.
Yeah.
A little. Yeah, you turn it up a notch with this, right? If not, it's just regular plain old butter chicken, which is delicious. Not butter chicken, chicken tikka masala. It is super delicious, but at the same time, I think you need a little kick. Yes, sir. The chef in action. You know, I love being in the kitchen, dude. I love it. There's nothing like being in the kitchen. The aroma. Oh, my appetite is wet. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's ready. Oh, it looks so good. The cashew sauce? Cashew gravy. So that's it. Same thing. Cilantro and
Cream.
cream.
No almonds. Almonds is for butter chicken.
So no almonds and no butter.
No butter.
Awesome. All right, guys. So that's it, my man. I'll see you again next time.
Okay.
Let's go home and let's try this dish. It looks, mouth-watering. All right, my friends, we are back with some chicken tikka masala, CTM for short. If you go to Great Britain, which I'm going to soon, you have to say CTM. CTM is the key word. Man, I cannot wait to try this dish. I love this dish. You know, recently I did the butter chicken. Obviously, that's the #1 Indian dish in America, but chicken tikka masala is the national dish of Great Britain. Yes. Look at this, it's so good. So what's the difference? Well, my understanding is usually they use breast meat for this one and thigh for butter chicken, usually, right? But they also add some onions and bell pepper to this dish, which you can see it's more red compared to the butter chicken. So I'm just gonna get some right here. You know what, it's gonna do like this. Oh my God, look, beautiful chunky chicken. Got the delicious creamy gravy, right? Oh, awesome. And over here, we have some naan, right? You always have to pair it with some naan, right? So the way you do it is come here and break it up. Just break up a piece right here. Oh yes. Look at that, super cream, the ultimate cream. So it's definitely less buttery than the butter chicken. Oh, he made it super spicy for me. Oh, wow. This with an naan, delicious. Sorry about the noise. They're cutting the neighbor's yard here. But I want to also tell you guys about this dish. So they say it was invented by British-Pakistani in Glasgow. And if you guys don't know about Glasgow, it's considered one of the best curry spots in Great Britain. I'm actually not going there on my next tour of Great Britain, but I'm gonna do it from London all the way up to Liverpool. It's gonna be amazing. Can't wait to eat chicken tikka masala every single day. Personally, this is better than butter chicken. It's so delicious and creamy. The cashews, the heat. I mean, he did turn it up a notch on this one. Hold on. I think it was gonna be that spicy. Yeah, I gotta always get in here and just get into that cream. So chicken tikka masala is made up of boneless pieces of chicken that are marinated in dahi, so that's yogurt, with lots of spices and served in a curry or puree of tomatoes, cream, coconut cream, and masala mixture, right? So very, very similar to butter chicken, but I personally prefer chicken tikka masala every single day. Hey, settle the debate. What do you prefer, butter chicken or chicken tikka masala? Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below, subscribe to my channel for more awesome travel content. We'll see you in the next travel food adventure with another dish coming very soon.